Well, today I'm showing you a recipe from the heartland of Southwest India, Goa. The name of the recipe, Turnip Vindaloo. What it is, how it's made, let's see further. Let's begin. First things first, I take Kashmiri chilies, chilies which have a pronounced color, mildly flavored, mildly pungent. But of course, you can use a combination of chilies with a lot of color, a lot of flavor. But for now, Kashmiri chilies. Let's remove the stalks off. The next step is, of course, to discard the stalks and add in vinegar to the chilies. And let this soak in for at least 30 minutes. Next, let's move on to one of my most favorite winter produces, and that is a turnip. Well, turnip for the uninitiated is mild in flavor, almost radish-like. It's earthy. It eventually gets sweeter, just like a potato. It absorbs all the wonderful flavor from the curry or the gravy, and that's one of the reasons why this goes perfectly well for a vindaloo. So literally we are 2 steps down, the first one being chili soaked in vinegar, and the second step being processing the turnips. Let's move on to the third step, and that is grinding the vindaloo paste, for which of course we're going to use the chilies soaked in vinegar along with a couple of ingredients. After which I've added the garlic, ginger, cumin, turmeric, and now I'm going to grind this into fine and smooth paste. Our vindaloo paste is done and ready. Nice, fine and smooth, exactly the way we want for this recipe. Let's transfer this straight into the pan. No oil, no fat, nothing. To the blender jar, let's add in some water and pour this into the pan. Add in a cupful of water more, half a teaspoon of salt, and finally the turnips. Once the turnip goes in, we're going to turn the flame on, keep it on a medium, and stir this. So once the vindaloo comes to a roll boil, we cover this and cook it for at least 45 minutes to an hour. It's been roughly around 45 minutes on medium flame, covered. Let's quickly check the turnip vindaloo. Let's lower the flame and check this with a knife or a fork. Once the turnip becomes nice and soft, of course the flame. The whole idea and beauty here is to ensure that the turnip holds its shape while it is nice, soft and juicy, just like a potato. Well, very different in texture, very different in flavor, but trust me, make this once and turnip will also become one of your most favorite winter produces. Make this for your family, make this for your friend, serve this with pav or with poi or with sliced bread, because these three go wonderfully well with a vindaloo.